Hello guys. Welcome to my new video. Today's video contains the 5 best Amazon kitchen dish drying rack finds this month that will amaze you, so don't skip the video and watch till the end. If you like the video, please subscribe and click the bell icon to be the first to see my new videos. Thanks, so let's start the video.
The Sweet Home Collection 2-piece dish drying rack stands out for its thoughtful design and practical functionality. Made from a combination of metal and plastic, this drying rack not only provides durability, but also ensures that it is rust-resistant, making it suitable for long-term use in a variety of kitchen environments. With dimensions of 5.25 inches in depth, 13 inches in width, and 14.5 inches in height, the rack is compact yet spacious enough to accommodate a significant number of dishes, utensils, and kitchenware. This makes it an excellent choice for anyone, regardless of kitchen size, as it can easily fit near most sinks or countertops without overwhelming the space. The sleek silver color provides a modern aesthetic that complements most kitchen designs. Additionally, the rack serves a dual purpose. It functions as both a dish drainer and an utensil holder, thereby maximizing utility in the kitchen. The thoughtful mounting type is designed to be easily placed around the sink.
The Joseph Extendable Dish Drying Rack is a thoughtfully designed kitchen accessory that effectively addresses the needs of modern households. Made from durable stainless steel and high-quality plastic, this drying rack guarantees longevity while maintaining a sleek contemporary look that complements various kitchen styles. With dimensions of 12.25 inches in depth, 14 inches in width, and 6.5 inches in height, its compact size allows for easy placement on countertops without occupying too much space. The rack's expandable feature is imposing. It can be adjusted to accommodate different amounts of dishware, making it a versatile solution.
The KitchenAid Large Capacity full-size rust-resistant dish rack is a remarkable addition to any kitchen, designed to accommodate the demands of everyday dish drying. Made of high-quality stainless steel, this dish rack not only boasts a modern gray finish, but also ensures durability and longevity, resisting the common wear and tear associated with moisture exposure. With dimensions of 14.96 inches in depth, 20 inches in width, and 7 inches in height, it offers ample space to organize your dishes, pots, pans, and utensils efficiently. The generous capacity means it can support a weight limit of up to 25 pounds, making it ideal for families or those who entertain guests frequently. One of the standout features of this dish rack is its adjustable design, which enables users to customize the storage according to the size and shape of the items being dried. Whether you need to accommodate larger cookware or simply want to optimize space for dishes, the flexibility of this product.
The over-the-sink dish drying rack by SNTD is a thoughtfully designed kitchen accessory that brings both functionality and aesthetic appeal to your dish drying needs. Constructed from durable metal, this rack ensures longevity while maintaining a sleek black finish that complements a variety of kitchen decor styles. With dimensions of 12.4 inches in depth, 26.8 inches in width, and 2,000.5 inches in height, it provides ample space to accommodate numerous dishes, pots, and utensils. One of the standout features of this dish drying rack is its adjustable and expandable design, which allows users to customize the rack's dimensions based on their specific sink size. This versatility makes it ideal for kitchens of all shapes and sizes, and its ability to fit over the sink maximizes countertop space, an essential consideration in any busy kitchen environment. The rack's weight limit of approximately 36.29 kilograms ensures that it can safely hold a substantial amount of kitchenware.
The MerryBox over-the-sink dish drying rack is a well-designed solution for maximizing kitchen space while effectively drying your dishware. Constructed from resilient carbon steel, this drying rack is finished with a layer of black paint, providing both durability and a modern aesthetic that complements various kitchen styles. With dimensions measuring 11.5 inches in depth, 25 inches in width, and 24.61 inches in height, it fits snugly over most standard sinks, making it an ideal choice for those seeking to save counter space. The product not only accommodates a wide variety of items including knives, spoons, wine glasses, bottles, pots, and cups, but it also offers a considerable weight limit of 36.3 kilograms, ensuring it can handle heavy items with ease. One of the standout features of this drying rack is its adjustable design, allowing users to customize it based on their sink size and specific drying needs. This flexibility ensures that it can be utilized effectively in different